This little tutorial is just about using the Downline Builder, and it's the best way to preserve integrity in keeping your sponsor for all programs. Once you've logged into Multiply Weezer, you'll be at this dashboard, and then if you go to Resources and click on Downline Builder, it brings you with various programs that you can join. There'll be one for maybe 2 or 3 or more for your sponsor, but there are other programs here. You can click to submit your own programs that your downline will see, but here, if you look here, you'll see the programs that come from either admin or your sponsor. And if you click on free, these are all things that you can join free. Avazoo is one, a Tapestry is another, and iHub is the latest that's been added. So how do you go about joining and making sure that your link goes into the right place? Well, first of all, this is where you click to join, and that will take you to your sponsor's link, your nearest upline's link. If you click on that, you'll get to the page, and then you can click on join now, and it will open in a new tab. So I'll close that. That's where you join. Now after you've joined, you will have your affiliate ID or username, and then you will put that in here, your username. Okay, and when you've done that, you need to click submit. Now I'm not going to do that because this is just an example, but when you click submit there, your username should stick in this space, and if you hover over this down in the bottom left, you will see it as part of the link down there, and that's what your downline will see, and they'll join underneath you. So it's a fairly simple process. You get to the right place, you join the programs. No reason not to join any of these, they're all free, and join them by clicking on the link there. Tapestry, you click on the link there. Avazoo, you click on the link there, and once you've joined and you've got your link, you add it into the space, and you click submit always after adding them, and that's it. It'll be saved. So it's a fairly simple process, and it preserves downline integrity, which is what we're all about. God bless.